Soft, steady music begins. A voice, calm but intense, almost whispering. Every word you hear leaves an imprint on your mind. Every symbol you see shifts the way you think. And yet, most people live their entire lives never realizing that language is not just communication, it is control. It is creation. It is the invisible code shaping your reality. Pause. Music swells faintly. What if the words you speak are actually programming the world you live in? Act 1. The hidden nature of language. Language feels ordinary. It slips off the tongue without effort. We read signs. We text messages. We speak to each other every day. But beneath this lies a deeper truth. Symbols, letters, sounds. Each carries weight. Each carries history. And each carries power. Think of a single word that changed your life. Goodbye. Love. Failure. Hope. Notice how the sound of it still lingers inside you. Notice how your body reacts. Even now, inner reflection, softer tone. I still remember the first time someone told me I wasn't enough. Those words carved themselves into my skin. They echoed inside me for years, and sometimes I wonder if they still do. Words are not passive. They are living forces, carriers of meaning that shape how we see ourselves and how we see the world. Act 2. Symbols that shape the mind, but it goes deeper than spoken words. Look at the letters themselves. Why is a circle used to represent wholeness? Why is an upward triangle seen as fire or rising energy? Why does the shape of an arrow instantly tell your mind to move forward? These are not accidents. They are ancient agreements, silent contracts between symbol and psyche. The human mind does not just hear language. It sees it, it feels it, and it obeys the hidden meanings woven into it. Pause, building tension. Imagine for a moment, if every letter of the alphabet you use was once a fragment of sacred design, what if each symbol carried an energy, a vibration, that still speaks to your unconscious mind today? Think about it. Why does a heart shape mean love? Why does a red circle mean stop? Why does a flag, a logo, a simple word command entire nations, shift billions of lives, and even decide the course of history? Because symbols bypass logic. They sink directly into the unconscious, inner voice, whispering. Maybe I've been reading spells my entire life without even realizing it. Act 3. The climax. Language as power. Here lies the secret no one tells you. Language is not a mirror of reality. Language creates reality. When you name something, you define it. When you repeat a word, you reinforce it. When you believe in a phrase, you embody it. Think about the stories you tell yourself. I can't. I'm not ready. I always fail. Each phrase becomes a cage, a symbol you step into, and then lock the door behind you. But the reverse is also true. I can. I am ready. I will try again. These two are symbols. But instead of cages, they are keys. Pause. Steady, emotional tone. Every language is a spell. Every symbol is a seed. And what you choose to plant in your mind is what will grow. Inner monologue, reflecting. I used to think words were just noise, that my thoughts were private, unimportant. But now, I see that every phrase I repeat to myself is shaping the person I become. This is the balance you hold every day, to be a prisoner of words, or their master.